Good day everyone. Today we will demonstrate how to install paging system. But first we will introduce ourselves. I'm John Gabriel Ibisto.
I'm Makas Durugay.
I'm Mr. Silituanias.
I'm Dimple Diosiman.
I'm Virgil Shibali.
Charles Alvin.
I'm Jolly Ryan.
So there are different components of paging systems. First is the RCA or Radio Corporation of America. This is the paging mic, auxiliary, the amplifier, and the speaker. First, we're gonna put the RCA to the output in auxiliary. And this RCA to the input in amplifier. The next step.
Second is we're gonna put the speaker wire into the amplifier, input amplifier. Video.
This is a mic and what is the
And now we're gonna plug in the power system. And then I'm gonna tap the input to put it to auxiliary. And then hello, my. And this is how to install the paging system. And I thank you.